The miracle powers of Epsom salts, nature's remedy for body, mind, and home. Welcome to today's video where we're diving into one of nature's hidden gems, Epsom salts. You've probably heard about it, maybe used it in a bath or for sore muscles, but today, we'll reveal its miracle powers and how it can change your life in ways you never imagined. From its origins to its various uses for health, beauty, and even home care, Epsom salts is not just a one-trick pony. Stay tuned, and let's explore the fascinating world of Epsom salts. What is Epsom salts? First things first, what exactly is it? Epsom salts is not actually salt, despite its name. It's a naturally occurring mineral compound made up of magnesium and sulfate, two components that are vital for numerous bodily functions. The salts got its name from a saline spring in Epsom, England, where it was first discovered. Its benefits have been celebrated for centuries, and today, it's commonly found in households around the world. Now let's get into the juicy details. How can Epsom salts be used to heal, detoxify, and refresh your body, mind, and even your home? Epsom salts for health, healing and detoxifying. 1. Muscle relaxation and pain relief. One of the most well-known uses of Epsom salts is its ability to relieve sore muscles and reduce pain and inflammation. This is especially useful for athletes, those who exercise regularly, or anyone dealing with muscle strain. Magnesium is absorbed through the skin when you bathe in Epsom salts, and it helps to relax muscles, reduce swelling, and soothe any aches and pains. How to use: simply add 2 cups of Epsom salts to a warm bath and soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel your muscles relax almost instantly. 2. Stress relief and better sleep. Epsom salt baths aren't just for your muscles, they're great for your mind too. The magnesium in Epsom salts helps to promote the production of serotonin, a mood-boosting chemical in the brain. It also lowers cortisol, your body's stress hormone, leading to feelings of calm and relaxation. Many people who struggle with insomnia or restless sleep find that soaking in an Epsom salts bath before bed significantly improves their sleep quality. How to use: try taking an Epsom salts bath about an hour before bedtime. The magnesium helps relax your body and mind, setting the stage for a restful night's sleep. 3. Detoxification. Epsom salt baths can also help detoxify your body. The sulfate component of Epsom salts assists the body in flushing out toxins and heavy metals. This detoxifying effect can leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. How to use: for a detox bath, dissolve 2 cups in your bath water and soak for 30 minutes. Make sure to drink plenty of water before and after the bath to stay hydrated. 4. Soothing sunburn and skin irritations. It has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a perfect remedy for sunburns, bug bites, or other minor skin irritations. It can help reduce redness, itching, and discomfort. How to use: for skin irritations, dissolve 1 tablespoon in a cup of water and apply it to the affected area with a cotton ball. You can also add it to your bath to soothe your entire body after a long day in the sun. Rejuvenating and enhancing. 1. Exfoliation for smooth skin. Epsom salts can work wonders for your skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. It acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and improve your skin's texture. How to use: mix a handful of salts with a tablespoon of your favorite body wash or coconut oil and gently massage it into your skin in circular motions. Rinse off, and enjoy your soft, smooth skin. 2. Volumizing hair treatment. It can even be used for your hair. It helps to add volume, reduce excess oil, and clarify your scalp. If you have flat, oily hair, and rinse might be just what you need to bring it back to life. How to use: mix equal parts of conditioner and Epsom salts, apply to damp hair, and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Your hair will feel lighter and have more volume. 3. Soothing tired feet. Epsom salts is excellent for foot care, especially after a long day on your feet. It helps to reduce swelling, soften calluses, and soothe any discomfort from blisters or foot pain. How to use: dissolve half a cup in a large bowl of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. It's a perfect way to unwind and give your feet some much needed TLC. Cleaning and DIY projects. It's not just for personal care, it's also a versatile household cleaner and gardening aid. Let's explore how you can use Epsom salts in your home. 1. Natural tile and grout cleaner. It has a slightly abrasive texture that makes it great for cleaning tough surfaces like tiles and grout. Plus, it's non-toxic, which means it's safe to use around kids and pets. How to use: mix equal parts with dish soap, apply to the grout or tile, and scrub with a brush. Rinse off with warm water for sparkling clean surfaces. 2. Fertilizer for your garden. Did you know that Epsom salts can also help your plants thrive? The magnesium in Epsom salts aids in chlorophyll production, which helps plants absorb sunlight and grow healthier. How to use: sprinkle around the base of your plants, or dissolve it in water and use it to water your plants once a month for greener, more vibrant foliage. 3. Slug and pest control. It can also help keep your garden free from slugs and other pests. When sprinkled around your plants, the salt acts as a barrier that slugs won't cross, protecting your garden from damage. How to use: simply sprinkle a thin layer around the perimeter of your garden beds to keep pests at bay. Summary: Epsom salts truly is a miracle mineral with countless uses for both your personal well-being and your home. Whether you're looking to relax after a long day, detoxify your body, beautify your skin, or spruce up your garden, it has a solution for you. Make sure to keep a bag on hand. It's a small investment with big returns for your health, beauty, and home care needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies and DIY tips. And tell us in the comments, how do you use Epsom salts in your daily routine?